finally it is out. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Night Owl Rider. Today I'm not riding, I'm driving for food. So meet my friend Gokul. He's my college mate, my best buddy, and moreover my personal diary. So I share a lot of things with him. So today we are going to a restaurant. He suggested me one restaurant. So he told you get good bamboo biryani. I don't know how it is. He told me that. So we are going over there. And let's see. And today we are driving in our Blackbird Skoda. My subscribers. Love you. Hey guys, I'm right now at Panda's Cafe. So it is near Hesarghatta main road. So we were hungry. So he told me, Gokul had told me that there is a cafe called Panda's Cafe. They serve good biryanis. Let's see what is going to happen. You can see right over there. So finally let us go in. Come on. Come. So you can see this is the ambience what they have. They have an amazing ambience with all like new lights. This is how the ambience, this is how the space. Now let us see how the food quality is. Tell me, what are you gonna order?
Chicken bamboo biryani.
Okay.
What else you want?
He's ordered chicken bamboo biryani. So we'll order one biryani and one starter. And their highlight is chicken bamboo. And they have bamboo biryani, veg, chicken and mutton. So I am ordered for chicken and he is looking for starter. Let us see and we'll start ordering. So now the biryani is coming from the place where it got prepared to the plate. Now he's getting the bamboo biryani. At that time I just saw this table cover. If you could see, it is the original peel of the onion. So finally the plates and the bamboo is here. He's getting the bamboo biryani. Here these are barbecue chicken. See, well maintained, like well what I could tell, well decorated. So the color combination also green chili in a white pot. So now he's gonna serve our bamboo biryani. So you could see I got for 2 people. It's really huge. If you see the biryani, the quantity of the biryani is little higher than the other places. Because we are sitting out, you could see hear a lot of vehicle sound. I'm sorry for it, but let's start. Hi Gokul.
Hi Abhijit. It's really good.
Really good? What and all taste you're getting? Biryani taste. Oh, I liked it. High five. Tak.
No, but it's really good. I love the taste. It has those lemony, tangy taste, which I really like.
So finally I'm gonna taste my biryani. The aroma is not so hard. It is like so smooth. When the smell you feel like grabbing into the biryani. So this is my first spoon of biryani at Panda's Cafe. Sorry, it is Panda's Cafe. I'm sorry. So their first, like Gokul suggested me, we'll have the biryani from here. So my first bite of bamboo biryani at Hesarghatta main road. I could get the taste of that all kind of spices, especially chili is little standing out than rest of the spices. And it is so they have cooked really well, and I could feel the taste. Okay, like it is tangy, not too spicy, but it is spicy also. So finally, we are at the last stage of biryani. Last in the sense, empty stage of biryani. The biryani we finished. If you see the plates, because the taste is good. If you ask a foodie, how do you enjoy the biryani? Trust me, if the taste is good, you have to see the plate, because the biryani will be empty. And if you see that fellow's plate, Google, please show your plate. Dekh lo uska plate. The plate is also empty. See, we are actually biryani lovers. Being very clear, we have eaten n number of biryanis in different places before this vlog. Before I start this is one among them. As I personally suggest, you have to come to Panda's Cafe for having this bamboo biryani. This tastes good. And at Dasrali or Jalalli, on the way to Hesarghatta, amazing place for biryani. So now we are gonna start with barbecue. So let me start with barbecue. I'm taking the white one. So let me have a try. How do I feel about this? It is okay. Finally, it is out. So Gokul is like, what happened to him? I'm like, I want to enjoy the barbecue. It's good. With this chutney, it was really good. Trust me. It's tangy taste. A little spicy. Oh, I love it. I'm having it dry, without anything, chutney or anything. I think with chutney it was good, trust me. With chutney I loved it. It is so bland, I could tell, without chutney. Let me see what my Gokul have to tell. Come on, Gokul. Okay. So he is having with chutney.
It's good.
What taste you are getting?
Do you want me to say?
Of course.
Yeah, right. It tastes really better with the chutney. I think only just the chicken, it tastes a bit bland, but I think the chutney really gives it a better taste.
Bland?
This is good, really good.
Good.
I can, the masala that what they have used, it's really good. It really stands out.
So now he's trying with the chutney.
It's good, but I think for this I'll prefer without the chutney. For the other one, definitely with the chutney.
Okay, that's really good. So after the Gokul tasting the white and the green one, I'm gonna taste the green one. So this is the green barbecue, if you could see. Finally, I'm gonna take this. So as Gokul told, I'm gonna try without the chutney. The spices stands out than the white one. I love the green one. It really stands out. You have the tangy feeling, but good taste. I really love it. I recommend the green one. Green ki jai ho. Now I am trying with chutney. When you have with the chutney, the problem is the masala of the chutney and the masala of the chicken getting together and having a new texture, which as me and Gokul, we have the similar taste. We do not like that much, but without the chutney goes good. Trust me, this is good. So finally, if you could see the plate, the biryani plate is empty. I have only less bowl. Barbecue plate is clean. Gokul, please show your piece. See, he got all the leg piece and I did not get, I got only one piece. Disappointing. Gokul.
You need luck, bro. Luck for that.
Okay, on a serious note, I recommend this place for bamboo biryani and the green barbecues. Really amazing. They star. So if people are going from Jalali or 8th Mail, traveling from any place, so let me tell you their bamboo biryani, Panda's Cafe bamboo biryani, I completely recommend. Trust me, the biryani, whatever we had, this is one of the good place. So please try it out. So finally we are at the end stage of the video. So what I'm trying to tell you is, we came for a chai, we had the chai, and now we are giving you the rating for Panda's Cafe. So we had one bamboo biryani and one barbecue. So out of 0 to 5, I'm giving you 4. I'm giving you 4 out of 5. And more than that, we are going for a drive tomorrow to Mysore, me, Gokul, my family members. Please support me with your love on the form of subscribe, like, comment, share. And if you don't have a bell, take my bell. Press that for further video. And I'm Night Owl Rider. I'm signing off from this.